Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Rico and then Alexandra from class 11 Marketing 2.
First of all, prepare one coconut shell with the bottom cut off. Make holes in the coconut shell according to taste. This is what happens after making a hole. Place the lamp on the inside of the coconut shell, then glue it. Cut the lamp cover to the length of the cable and then glue it. The night leg is ready to use.